Hi everybody, Mischa here with Word of the Day, and there it is, nepotism. What does this word nepotism mean? Well, I'm going to give you the strict definition first, okay? Nepotism is the giving of advantage, of privilege, position, access to somebody for an occupation in any field, from music to movies to law to politics, whatever. The thing with nepotism, however, is that this decision on to whom do we give this access, it must go to a relative. Now, merit is not a factor here. If I start a company and I want to leave it to my daughter, I don't care if she's talented or not. I still want to leave her my company. I can do that. However, in a healthy democracy, at least at this time, it is still illegal to hire an unqualified family member over a qualified applicant. We're not allowed to do that in government. Now, where does this word come from? It comes from the Italian word nipote, meaning nephew. And that's because this system of nepotism was practiced in the Catholic Church until almost the 18th century. And it would work like this. You were a bishop or a cardinal or whatever, and these were very valuable positions. Valuable positions would come into your purview, and you could leave them to family members. And so these men would leave them to their nephews. Sometimes it would actually be their illegitimate children, but since they weren't supposed to have those, they would just call them nephews. And that's where we get this word nepotism, which the French turn into Nepotism and give it to us in 1669. Well, we would have taken it anyway because we love to steal words from the French, right? It comes into English in an amazing piece of work, by an amazing piece of work, to be honest, and that is Pepys' Diaries in Restoration England, the first 10 years. And this man, Samuel Pepys, he's in London when the monarchy comes back. The theaters reopen, with women playing Shakespeare. Oh my gosh. There's a plague, the city burns down. It's an amazing piece of writing, and that is where we get the word nepotism. Now, I'm going to use it for you very quickly in 2 sentences so you get a clear idea. Here's the first one. Nepotism is practiced in Hollywood all the time. However, some people, for example, the actor Nicolas Cage, go to great lengths to make sure that people don't know that they are related to powerful people because they want full credit for their accomplishments. And in fact, Nicolas Cage is the nephew of Francis Ford Coppola. Whoa, okay. And my last sentence for Earth Month. Can you believe this? Nepotism appears to be natural. If you are, right down to the bugs. If you're in a hive and you're a bee and you want to be really close to the queen bee, the only way you get close to her is if you are closely related. Can you believe that? Oh my gosh. Hey, put nepotism in the comments, and I'll see you tomorrow.